The lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek.
What's going on, peeps? It's the big red one. I'm Benj of Cowabunga Card Archies, and welcome back to another video.
It's the big show.
Whoa, that's
red show. A big red machine.
Big red machine. Yes, Kane.
It
was.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Welcome back
to the unit.
It's a little FN2 video today, Benj.
It is.
On this one. Obviously, as you all know, I've got the Maxton kit on my car.
Yeah.
Sponsored by Dynodaze Performance Parts. And just needed a little extra, really, to add on, Benj, didn't we?
We
really?
did.
Yeah, that's
one little thing.
So I kindly spoke to Danny and Rich at Dynodaze, and they, just lovely people they are, sponsored me the last little bit of the kit. So we have.
There's fucking moths everywhere. What's going on? Mothballs.
The rear spat to finish off.
Spattage.
Just to finish off the kit, basically.
Looks good though. You can get all three bits, can't you? But
yeah,
I'm never too keen on the middle bit. I don't know why. I'm going to open these.
Although I have seen that Cowabunga Ride, massive shout out to Cowabunga Ride as well. Have you seen the diffuser they do on there? No. Oh, it's amazing. Yeah, carbon diffuser looks fantastic. Yeah, mate. Yeah, it looks incredible.
Ooh. Well, there we go then.
So here we go. Yeah.
Get them open by guys.
Oh yeah.
I'm surprised you don't open these already, to be honest.
No.
Oh, it's out.
Oh!
Look at that. Bolts on it inside.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Oh, yeah.
There they are, look, yeah.
Well, actually, proper nut and bolt.
Proper bolt washers and everything.
Where we fucking self-tapping them.
So, yeah, that's it basically, guys. So, Ben's going to do his thing.
Oh, yeah, we're going to pinstripe them as well.
Because I've got a little bit of that left. So, just, yeah, bit of gold pinstriping around here.
Let's have a look, see where they go.
Yeah, they just literally just, yeah. Literally just, yeah.
It's just, yeah.
So, yes, they just...
Oh, yeah.
They just, yeah, oh, that looks ace, doesn't it?
That's good, mate. Really nice.
That really finishes it off, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. So
Nice
that
little
side
touch.
compared to that side.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. Just, yeah, finish off. You can get a bit here.
Yeah,
I'm never too keen on that because you've already got this lip that comes out anyway, so I don't think it needs it. But yeah, they're going to look good, mate.
I think that
really,
just
really
finish
nice.
it off. Finish it off nicely.
Let me have a look at with the yeah, because it finishes it off all the way around there. So you've got the rear bit on the corner, the side skirts, and then joins on with the front splitter.
That's it.
It's good, mate.
That is it.
So what are we going to do? We're going to just self-tapper it.
I think so.
I think because there's nothing. Yeah. Nothing in behind there. It's literally just plastic.
Plastic.
There's nothing that you can't. Yeah, yeah, I think we're going to just self-tapper the buggers in, don't you?
I think so.
Put a bit of sealant on there, do you think?
You need it with self-tappers, do you?
I wouldn't have thought so, mate. We didn't with the rest of it, did we?
No.
I don't think.
Yeah, they actually,
filthy.
the targets, yeah, but look at the sides of them.
Yeah, it's totally different. They're just on the corners, aren't they?
Yeah, so...
We got some... Oh, this will wipe my fucking hand. We've got some self-tappers up here, I think. Oh, look, there we go. That's what we need. Some of them. With a self-tapping end. Fucking loads of them, boy.
Yeah,
that's it.
Cool. We'll use them then.
Just like, what, four of them in there?
Yeah.
1, 2, yeah, about 4.
Yeah.
Luscious.
I mean, obviously...
You in red, look. The lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. fuck's sake.
Nobody here.
Oh, I don't know the rest.
Look.
Right, let's get that carpet, shall we?
Where I wanna be, but I hardly know.
Jesus. Bloody hellfire.
There's beauty by my side.
Ooh. Right, bit of carpet.
Yeah, so obviously.
Sorry,
That's right.
just doing carpet duties.
We're gonna have to get our ass up in the air, I reckon.
Yes, that's.
Underneath with grillage.
Yes, that's probably a good shout.
And to be honest, mate, I need to get the ass end up anyway to sort out and do up that other.
Yeah, it's freaking sensors rattling again.
I'm done again.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought I'd get the gun on
You're
it.
gonna have to get on bloody blocks, though.
No, I'll just do it from the front. Jack the back up. You can jack off the rear beam, can't
I don't know, to be honest. Don't know if we'll get under there. Oh no, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Well, we'll jack it up then, just so you can get a drill in.
Yeah.
Under here. Although we have got the little Makita, mate. Which I think will go in there.
You ready?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, you bloody ready do.
I do. Or even just reverse it onto the blocks and that'll be enough because it'll lift it another 3 inches off the ground.
Plus, yeah, plus it.
So I think we just.
Sorry, just to cut in. Obviously, like on the rest of the kit, we just literally put some Tiger Seal across this because obviously that's what seals to your car anyway. But
Exactly.
for something that size, I don't think it's worth it.
I don't either, and it's you're just screwing
Screwing it straight into that.
plastic.
But yeah,
Although there is. Oh no, there's plastic there. Yeah, should be fine. Give that a little wipe down.
I reckon so. So I'm going to wipe that down. Benjamin is going to put the pinstripe on because he is the man with a stripe.
Should we do that when it's on it though? I think we should do it when it's on it.
Wait, you want to do it when it's off?
I don't know, it's not that. Which one is this? The other end.
Yeah. Yeah, he's laying that. He's laying that.
Just goes like that, doesn't it?
Yeah, it should sit on that.
Like that, I think. Follows the curve. Or is it like that? Like that,
Like
I
that.
think, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it almost slots in.
Yeah.
So it doesn't go back any
Perfect
further.
fitment for Maxton, I've got to say.
As always, Christopher.
Yes.
Yeah, spot on. So.
What do you reckon?
Well,
You
yeah, I
reckon
think.
do it on the
all
car?
the way around. No, I think I'll do it off the car.
I think
The
so.
pinstripe. I just wanted to see what you could see, but we'll do all the way around there.
Yeah.
And then finish it on that edge. So we haven't gone down the edge there, so I don't want to go. So we'll go along there, wrap it around there, and down there.
Bloody marvellous, Benjamin.
Handsome. Well, I'll do that, Chrissy.
Well, I'm giving her a wipe then.
You can give it a wipe and maybe reverse it onto them blocks.
Yeah.
The extra couple of inches.
I'll do that. And also, once again, massive thank you to Danny and Richard Dynodaze for sponsoring me with these.
Yeah.
Because it's like the final touch to the kit, really. So yeah, it's ace. Love it.
Pinstrap.
It's on the thing there. So we will check back in a little wee while.
A bit.
Woo! There's fine workmanship going on here from Mr. Bowden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Snip there. Look.
Yeah. Look at that. Whoa.
There we go.
Oh, she looks
Done.
beautiful. Look at that.
Adds a little something, doesn't it?
It does, mate. Yes.
I've just kind of gone around that corner, but you can't see it anyway. But I'm maybe I'll cut it off again. Do it on the other one. I'll cut it off. Not that you can see it.
Some extra light, Benj.
Thanks. Alright, there we go.
Thanks. There we go.
Handsome.
Thank you,
lovely.
Benjamin. Right.
Handsome, lovely, handsome.
So now we've just got to get the car up on the blocks.
Well, you've already done that.
No, I need you to watch me, right?
Okay. Yeah, we're just going to get it up a bit so we can get a drill underneath here. Sexual chocolate. Righty then. Could have taken that up for Rob.
So
Jack first.
then oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that looks nice with the gold.
Nice, doesn't it? Love that.
Yes.
So the only thing is I need your hands. I need you to possibly hold it while I swing it.
Okay. What I'll do is
It's got to go like that.
I'll set this up over here.
That is a good thing with Maxton kits though, honestly. They do literally just fit perfectly.
We do.
You can't really get it wrong.
No, you can't. Even us.
Yeah. How much you are?
Oh, right, you bloody hell. Right, what do you want me to do? Oh,
Go that side. Go that side of me. It needs to sit. And it clonks, doesn't it? But it needs to.
Yeah, it needs to. It doesn't need to be like that. Does it? It's got to be level like that, I'm assuming. And then like that. And a bit further back. I would say. Oh, there we.
Yeah?
Yep. You can feel my finger. How do they really fit?
Oh yeah.
What's that?
Don't know, it just fell out.
Brilliant.
The good old faithful Honda clip.
Oh, do you want it there or there? I think there. Actually, get one in this on this corner there. On your fingers. Out there, yeah. Go for it. Ah!
Oh, at least he fell back in the pot though, eh?
There we go. Let me get a couple more in there, boy. Just stop it flapping. I'll put one there, one there. Got one there, maybe one.
One in the back end there. It's
Yeah, I'd say there.
Yeah.
Sexual. Oh yeah, look at that. Right, so we got one on. It looks amazing.
So easy.
I won't show you the finished result of both just yet. But I was just saying that it matches this bit. You can get another one that sits under there that pokes out a little bit, but it doesn't need it, I don't think. Do you know what I mean? It pokes out just enough, and from above, it matches that. Do you know what I mean? It just, yeah, looks really good, mate.
And I think with possibly that carbon diffuser on there.
Oh, and here?
Yeah, it's that. Covers that.
Oh, right. Yeah, that looked good. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it covers that. And it's got like the fins in it as well.
Ah.
It looks really nice.
That's not for a GP kit?
No.
Yeah, that's good. So you take that out, do you?
Yeah.
Ah, right. Yeah.
Well,
nice bit.
I think so, or it's like that. It's just a cover.
I can't imagine it'd stick on that though, because it's like honeycomb, isn't it?
Well, yeah, it'd be strange.
I'd imagine you have to take that out, bumper off, take it out.
Yeah.
Right, let's get the other one on and then we'll show them the finished result, shall I, Chrissy?
Yes, let's.
Oh yeah, you see it a bit better than anybody. Looks nice, mate.
Oh, mate, yeah, what a difference.
So good. Right, they're on. Looks awesome, mate.
Makes that arse end look a bit more aggressive.
It's finished it off, hasn't it?
Yeah,
There was
totally.
always something missing, I think, below those triangles. Because that bit in the middle pokes out. But there we go.
Yeah, well happy, mate. That looks ace.
Looks wicked.
Yeah.
Love it. And now it all ties all the way around. Perfectamundo.
Full Maxton kit.
Yeah. I don't think we need the middle bit.
I don't. No. I think that's enough.
Yeah, that looks spot on, mate. Really, really like that. Finished it off nice. Looks so good from behind.
Well, thank you.
Very sexual, mate, that. So there you bloody go. Don't forget, you can get all your Max Design kits from Dynodaze Performance Pass.
Certainly can.
I shall put a link below. And it's not just FNs that the Maxton kit's for either, is it?
No, no.
They even do a Maxton kit for the S2K.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, splitters and stuff like that, and side skirts.
All right.
Yeah, looks good, mate. I love that.
Yeah, I'm well happy, mate. That
It's
really
wicked.
finishes it off.
It does. It's just giving it that little something it was missing. I think.
The
Very
little
nice.
subtle touches, Benjamin.
Cheers, mate. How about a breath? All I did was bend down.
Not like me, I'm a fucking athlete now.
You are.
I'm an athlete.
An athlete. Athlete's fucking foot.
What the fuck, mate? Don't be like that. Been gymming everything this morning before I got down here.
Chris is on a new health kick, aren't you?
I am. Protein
Long
shakes.
fucking last.
Yeah, sorting myself out at last.
You are, and you've only been doing it for what, a week or so?
2 weeks.
And you're already feeling better about yourself, which is
And a lot of people have said that. They've noticed a change in me.
You have, your attitude,
So it's
everything, your mood.
Yes.
Yeah, back to old Chrissy,
Yeah.
which is nice. So there we go, that was easy, mate.
That was like-
fucking
Yeah.
10 minutes.
It's only after 12.
Yeah, mate, fucking sorted.
Wow.
Got another one to do now, and then I think we've got a little guest coming down with another car to do a video on.
I am so excited for this one. Because
I am, mate.
the car that's coming down, I've never been in one.
I haven't.
Never even really looked at one up
You know,
close.
I always look at them at
you know what I
shows,
mean?
but I've never sat him on or been driven him on or anything like that. So yeah,
No.
it's exciting. So there we go. As I said earlier, you can get the Maxton kit for your FN. They're doing for Audis, freaking
They do.
Fiats, S2Ks. Like, just go on the website, have a little goosey in the drop-down menu of all the cars, and then you'll see. But they do bloody loads.
They do. And they're, like I said in the video, they're very good kits. They literally, you can't go wrong because the line they give you to follow.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
It just literally
it's
sits
really,
where it
it's
wants
a
to
proper
sit.
like little driveway mod that you can do yourself.
Oh yeah, yeah.
In literally an hour.
With two
And
pairs
you
of
don't need
hands.
any special
two pairs
tools
of
or
hands, I would
anything.
say.
Yeah, you don't need any special tools or anything like that. They
No.
give you nuts and bolt kits with it, but I've never used them on them. I've always
Use
put a bit of
self-tapping
sealant
screws.
on and
Yeah.
use self-tappers, and then it's going to hold it up anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, there we go.
There we ready to go.
Freaking easy, mate. That
Very easy.
stress-free.
Love those ones.
Easy. I
Benj.
don't know if the next one's going to be stress-free,
Well,
but it's nothing mechanical. So
it's nothing mechanical.
just
It's
sit there.
wiring.
Ugh.
And good job we've got a Sparky on the channel, eh?
It's a different ball game, mate. So there
I'm
we go.
not an electrician. I'm an electrician.
That's true. So thanks, Danny and Rich, for sending them
Thank
over
you very
for
much,
Chrissy.
Daniel.
For
Yes.
absolutely bloody
And
nothing.
Richard.
Go and grab yourself some because they're awesome. They're not expensive. What are they? Like 60, 70 quid?
I think they're about 60,
For the rear,
70
so you can
quid.
get the whole kit, obviously, for X amount, but we've just been doing it bit by bit, haven't we?
Yeah, yeah,
We got
yeah.
the front and the side skirts first. We're debating the rears, but it definitely needed it. Let's
Oh,
finish it off
100%,
loads better.
100%,
It looks
yeah.
awesome, mate. So there we
There we
go.
go. There's the Dynodaze Performance Parts sponsored Maxton kit for Cowabunga Car Diaries.
Freaking awesome,
Amazing.
boys.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, wicked. Don't forget to give them a follow, and they've got YouTube channels and all that with all the dynos on and stuff.
Yes.
Which is always a good watch. So go and check them out. All links to everything.
And check out Uncle Keith's paint shop as well.
Yes,
Dynodaze.
paint booth or paint shop, whatever it's
That's
called.
going very good. Which might be a little trip up there later in the year.
Yes, definitely. We need to go up and see him again, anyways, don't we? So,
Yeah.
yeah, they'll be ready to go. We discount codes are all at the end or in the description. So go and get yourself some money off your goodness. That's it, innit?
That's it, mate.
Happy days.
Simple as that.
Bloody love you. See you on the next video. Peace out.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Maxton kits. Go get one. You won't regret it.